Hey, it's Birdman for Birdman on the Mountain here in the Birdman Media Studios. Want to say hello to all the viewers out there on Cholo TV and also White Mountain Independent TV and, of course, the podcast listeners as well. I've been working on microphone setups, so we're playing around with a couple different mic sets to get us back to audio that's like having a microphone in your face without having a microphone in your face. So I'm going to work on a couple different things. We tried some overheads, which are a little more tinny than I was hoping for, and we're going to work our way around and get to as much off of screen as possible, but still give you the sound that you deserve. So thanks for hanging in there, and thanks for the comments saying, hey, what happened to the sound? So I know you're listening. Anyways, this week we've got with us nobody. So I've had a couple weeks on and off that we did different dates because of the fact that the holidays where they laid. And then, of course, I went to SHOT Show last week, so I had to do it early. And that ended me up this week with a bunch of sick people. So I actually had 4 different people scheduled to come in here. They are here, either they get sick or somebody gets sick that caused them to have to be at work. So here I am, and I'm going to do a little bit different this week and cover things so that you know what's going on. Now, we do the Mountain Talk with Adria at the beginning of the week, and we cover the highlights of what's coming up. I'm going to go in depth on what's coming up this week. We're past Tuesday, Wednesday. This is Thursday, so you've got this evening, or actually 11:30, maybe this comes out. There's a Sholo Ambassadors meeting at the Pizza Factory. You might be able to make that if you see this as the show gets thrown up. 4 p.m. this evening is an advanced STEAM club at the Sholo Library. And then 6:30 is For the Love of Pop Music at MPC. On Friday, they're going to have a game zone at the Sholo Library. There's a lot of stuff going on in the library lately. I don't know if you've been watching that, but you can see some of the press releases. I put them up on the Birdman Media page, Birdman Media page on Facebook. 2 p.m. is the Adventurers Club at the Pinetop-Lakeside Library. The ROBLOX Club at Sholo Library at 4 p.m. Then Friday night is the Daddy-Daughter Dance. So I don't know if they have any tickets left. They were down. They get really close down to the wire. Make sure you get your tickets. We're going to be reminding everybody before this show comes out. But 6 p.m. that starts. If you get there a little early, it's good because you can get in and get out of the cold. Remember, if you're standing on line, it's going to get cold. So, because the sun goes down, yeah. So think about that. It's a blast. The daughters love this. The girls love this. So we'll see you there. 6:15 p.m. is Humans vs. Zombie Night at the Sholo Library. You can call them or get more details from them. Saturday, 11 a.m. is a White Mountain Poetry Circle. Not pottery. I guess it's poetry. It's kind of hard to read and look at you guys. 6 p.m. Chinese New Year is at the Lodge. So that's a cool event that the Lodge has got going on. It's going to be from 6 to 9 p.m. Music is going to be provided by Fat Chance. It's $10 a person to get in, but that includes champagne, favors, music, and appetizers. And then from 9 to midnight is going to be the countdown. So if you miss New Year's because of all the snow and everything, you can go back and do that. Anyways, that's going on there. Chinese New Year's at the Lodge. Saturday, 8 p.m. is Thunderhorse at Rumors. And 8 p.m. is the Heber Ridge Band at the Den. Okay? Saturday, 2 p.m. couples golf at Bison Golf Club. 3:30 is the Big Bull Bash at Hon-Dah. The Lodge has got things going on. Everybody's got things going on. So it's Super Bowl weekend. Get your Super Bowl fix. I know you're either rooting for the Pats or against them. It's one way or the other. So go Rams. Anyways, Monday is another week and on to the digital photo editing at Sholo Library, Lego Club at the Pinetop-Lakeside, and Code Club at the Sholo Library. Couple events I want to tie into is we talked about this the Chinese New Year's. Coming up at the Lodge this is going to be the winter concert series at the Lodge, and we've got HomeSmart with Angel and District Lending with Kelsey, and of course Birdman Media. It is AZDZ. Okay, so it's a tribute band, obviously in the scope of AC/DC. These guys got full theatrics, really cool deal. That's going to be, why is the date not easy? Oh, March 2nd, okay? We were looking at the February timeframe, but March 2nd. So mark your calendars. We're going to be talking more. We're going to be talking with the band on here. So you can look forward to hearing from those guys. That's something just to set your calendar for March 2nd. Hold that date out. At the Den, the Lion's Den this week. Between the lodge and the Den, I eat a lot of food. But the Lion's Den this week, they have weekly specials that they do in the wintertime for the locals. They've got pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw and fresh chips. So that'll be a good one. Go stop in and check that out. They had a blast there last weekend, I heard, with Mr. Roger Klein. So good stuff there. Then another date to be held is the February 9th, next Saturday, okay? So from 2 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., they're going to have a Winterfest chili cook-off, okay? So that's sponsored by Summit Healthcare, and they're going to have tethered hot air balloon rides. Pretty cool. This is at the Mountain Meadow Recreational Complex, okay? So they're going to have a Bloom Glow. They're going to have live music, ice sculpting, food vendors. You can check out Facebook at the town of Pinetop-Lakeside. That's where you can get all the details on that. But I'm going to be out there testing the chili, I guess. I'm going to be one of the chili. There's 3 categories, and I think you can still get in to compete on the chili cook-off. So if you want that, contact Tony Alba. And that's T Alba, which is ALBA, at pinetoplakesideaz.gov. Or you can call them, 928-368-8696. Extension 240. So, it's a good week. I want to focus in on why I have no guests. It's because they're sick. It's because of the flu. I'm here because, first of all, hydration. Hydration is important. Remember that if you drink spirituous drinks, you may dehydrate yourself. So keep up on your hydration. Wash your hands. Wash your face. Wash your hands, wash your face, keep yourself clean, and stay away from people that are sick. So hugging and it's good for the knuckle bumps. Elbow bumps are good. But yeah, so if you're shaking a lot of hands, make sure you're washing those hands a lot. It's, some of it's inevitable. Sometimes it happens, but take every single precaution because the second wave of this flu is hitting, and it's hitting pretty hard. So let's all be cognizant of each other. And if you're feeling like you're a little sick, just stop the handshaking. Say, hey, you know what? I think I might be sick. I don't want to get you sick. And nobody is upset with that, like, ever. And fever is infectious, absolutely, but you can be infectious without having the fever as well. So just be aware of all that. We got a couple shows with Summit Healthcare where we talked about getting the flu shot or what to do when you have the flu. We're going to probably talk about that again. So just be aware of what's going on and, be healthy. But if you're not sick and you're able to get out, hey, go to some of our local restaurants. There's a lot of things. I put up a video on Facebook that showed, and actually Instagram, I put up a bunch of posts about the restaurants that support Birdman on the Mountain. And because of those, you're able to hear from people about what events are going on, activities, things like that. So go visit those restaurants. Let them know that I sent you your way and that you want to support the local community. If you have any event or activity that you want to talk about, give me a call. It's real easy. You can contact me through birdman.media. You can contact me via my telephone number that's listed up there. You can contact me at rob@birdman.media. No .com after that. The .media is the thing. Or you can reach me through the Facebook page. And some people even reach me through the Instagram page as well. So any of those are fine. Get a hold of me and you can come on and talk about your event. For most events, most all events are free to talk about. So you got an event, an activity that's going on, something you're doing on with your local little club. Like Mom's Club came in here and talked about that. There's no charge for that. We want here at Birdman Media all of the events to get out to everybody so everyone knows what's going on. The more things that are happening up here, the more activities, the more people come up here and spend their money and help our local economy. And that's what it's all about here at Birdman Media, is helping the local economy and helping everybody find out about how cool the White Mountains are to visit, to stay at, to hang out, and sometimes to move here as well. Hey, I'm Birdman, and thanks once again to all the viewers that are watching out there on White Mountain Independent TV, on Sholo TV, on the Birdman Media video channels, and on the Birdman Media podcast. I'm Birdman reminding you, if I don't see you around town, I'll catch you right here on the web.